In today's Jamie and Kev Go Travelling, we are in Birmingham and we're going to be showing you around the Hyatt Regency, right in the city centre of Birmingham. Really handy for concerts and things like that, and also shopping. We're going to be showing you around an executive room, what the executive rooms have to offer, as well as what you get within the Regency Club package. So that's access to the executive lounge. So we'll show you the executive lounge, and we're also going to be showing you what's behind these double doors. If you've never been through these double doors before, it's the presidential suite here at the Hyatt Regency. So we're going to show you around that, so keep watching and you'd be quite surprised what's actually in the presidential suite. So let's get in the lift and let's head on up to the 22nd floor and take a look at the executive room. So this is an executive room at the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham. This particular room overlooks the canal. Just open the net curtains. So you got a bit of a view of the canal down there. There's the bed. So in here you get a clock radio, two lights at the side, and you've got a little sitting chair there, armchair, and a desk. Nice large TV, and there's a fridge in the cupboard below the TV there. Stand there for your case. Also, these rooms you get access to the Regency Club, where you get tea, coffee and snacks during the day, and then between 5:30 and 7:30 in the evening is sort of like free drinks, wines and spirits and beers, things like that, for 2 hours. That's each evening. And then in here is the bathroom, all the usual, with a shower over the bath, some shelves there with towels on. And that's the Regency Club room at the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham, in the city centre. So this is the Regency Lounge, where people in executive rooms and suites have access to come and have some light refreshments and snacks. In an evening from 5:30 till 7:30, the bar opens and they can get some complimentary alcoholic drinks as well. Back downstairs to the ground floor, and you've got the Gentleman and Scholar pub, open to both the public and hotel guests, and they serve a nice range of pub food. Also down on the ground floor you've got the Aria restaurant, which serves a selection of British foods as well, and some really nice tasty foods on the menu to choose from. So it's now back up to the 24th floor to room 2415, which is the presidential suite. So here's the presidential suite at the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham. This is the main living room. You come in through the double doors there, you've got cupboard space there, and then round through to the dining room area. You've got a table there for 10 people in total, and a piano there. So really lots of space for entertaining. Also has some really good views of Birmingham from this 24th floor. You've got the library over there, BT Tower, some other office buildings. Looking across into the lounge area, the L-shape settee with plenty of cushions. Here we have the work desk, again with views over Birmingham. TV and sound system. So that's your lounge and your dining room. I'll take you through now to the main bedroom. So here's the master bedroom with TV, again plenty of pillows, bedside tables with sockets at the side. Then we have the dressing room area with wardrobe and safe, a dressing table, a bit more cupboard space, and then through here behind the actual bedroom you've got the sliding door which takes you through into the bathroom. So in the bathroom you've got the huge bathtub, again plenty of towels, TV on the wall, and just check out those views there of Birmingham. So you can actually sit, if you wanted to, looking out the window, and then you've got net curtains as well that you can draw for a bit more privacy. It is mirrored glass though, so most people from outside can't see it. Again, a bit of a view there outside. You've got the Birmingham Library, the BT Tower, and further down that way you get to the shops and the boring shopping centre. And as we're filming this today, there's the Birmingham International Dance Festival starting today, preparing ready for the events over the weekend. So that's the view that you get from the bathroom up here on the 24th floor of the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham. Again, there's the big bathtub, jacuzzi. And there you've got his and hers sinks, plenty of towels again. And then just around the corner here, you've got the shower. Check out the rain shower there, and right at the back there you can see the settings for it, and there's about three or four different settings that you can have. And then it also has a steam room, so you've got the settings just there to operate the steam room side of things. So that's the main shower steam room at the presidential suite on the 24th floor of Hyatt Regency in Birmingham. We're not quite finished there though, so that's the bathroom, and have a quick look at the bathroom there. So it's really impressive. And then just through this door here, you've got the bidet and toilet. Then take you all the way back through the bedroom, back to the living room. Such a big space. Also just off the living room, you've got the guest bathroom. There's a toilet just around the corner. And then just as you think you've finished, obviously you probably want to bring a chef with you. And in here, you've got a little kitchenette with a little hob, and you've got a coffee machine, there's tea, mugs, and you've got the sink and the dishwasher, and then you've got a fridge, a little microwave. Just when you're staying at a hotel, you just need your chef to be with you, or like us, you just want to prepare a few bits yourself. So that is the presidential suite at the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham. Let us know what you think in the comments. So the presidential suite here at the Hyatt Regency in Birmingham typically goes for about £1,600 per night. which is quite a lot of money for anyone, to be honest. But if you want to know how you can stay in rooms like this for a fraction of that price, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as coming up in the near future we're going to be releasing a video as to how you can stay in rooms just like this for a fraction of that price. So make sure you subscribe, and if you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you're kept up to date when we publish new videos.